a trumpet?
No.
What is it? It's a penguin. Is that a trumpet?
No.
No, what is it? It's a little girl. Is that a trumpet?
No.
No, what is it? It's a square. Is that a trumpet?
No.
Well, what is it? It's a ruler. Is that a trumpet? Well, what is it? It's a thing. I don't know what it is. Is that a trumpet?
No.
What is it? It's a hammer. Is that a trumpet? No, it's a giraffe. Is that a trumpet? No. Is that a trumpet? Is that a trumpet? Is that a trumpet? Viv, I hate to break the news to you, but I don't think you have a trumpet.
Go.
Go get a trumpet? We already tried that. This is the hammer. You want me to sit on that chair? I'm a little too big for that chair. You can sit on it though.
Go ahead, Dad. I want to see you sit in that chair. This could be an episode of The Three Bears. I think she wants you to play the trumpet too.
Those are binoculars, silly. In that picture, it's not a camera.